My name is Randy, and we have a beef farm, and I have a 11-year-old who's helping me out on the farm here this summer. His name is Gav, and hopefully you get to enjoy some of the entertainment. Also, I'd like to apologize for the seatbelt on the truck. The chime makes a lot of noise, so there's a little bit in the video that is a little bit annoying, so I do apologize for that.
Hey guys, Randy doesn't know this, but I just snuck in the truck. He thinks I'm still inside right now, and he's just about to come in and be like, huh? Just kidding, he's probably not gonna be like that. He's probably gonna act super normal. Where is he? Oh, he's over there. He's coming. Hello.
Hey, morning everyone. Bye, Joyska. I said it. It. Is that what he meant? Supposed to say it or bye. There's that concentration. So what are we doing, Gav?
We just checked the power in that wire.
Mm-hmm.
And now we're getting out of here.
Okay. Did you get some grease on you? Why did you get over here? Look at that. Look at all the grease you got on there. Huh. Yeah, so what we did is we just moved one herd of cattle into this old yard site here that they have not been in here. I did cut the hay here about a month ago, and just want these cows to graze this down. So they're only going to spend about a day here, and yeah, we just put the power on in the wire here as well. So they can stay in here, they can scratch their backs, and we have greens there too. Hello, Corey. How are you doing? So what I'm going to do is I'll put this wire down here. Step on it here. This is the first time I've been using this wire tape, and it actually works pretty good. Cows can see it. I wonder, did he back up close enough? A little more yet. There you go. Perfect. So the grass is nice and green now, and if we don't get any rain, the grass is going to dry up. I'm going to put power into this wire. Yeah, he'll entertain you a little bit. What's so funny? I'm gonna put power in it, and I'll meet you where where I tied it up at the place there.
Let's see if you can do
What?
it. Let's see if you can reach it. No. That's cheating. Come on, Randy, you can do it. Randy, no.
Hey.
You're too far.
Why you give me grief like that? Why?
What are you talking?
Did you see what he was doing? He locks the door.
What are you talking about? The door's unlocked.
I'm gonna ask the people here. I'm sure you locked the door And you probably said, well, look, I'm going to walk there. What I'm also going to do, I'm going to put the window up higher so that he can grab it. Then I'm going to close the window on his arm.
I've gotten a door closed on my ear. Pretty sure that's worse, man. Twice, actually.
Why?
On the same ear.
Why are you trying to open a door with your ear?
My siblings closed the door on my ear. Twice.
That's what you get for not listening, not using your ear. Hey, look, there's a snake. Oh no! Oh no!
No, it never happened. It never happened.
He was going to visit his friend.
Well, I mean, snakes have killed people, so why not kill a snake?
Hey, just stay in the road. There's 2 miles of ditch. There's 1 mile of road here. Okay, we're gonna go across the road. We'll go check the other herd of cattle. Go to the east. Yeah, I'm not sure how clear he is on the east side here. The snake killer.
Whoa, chill. Guess how many times he's killed snakes? Probably a lot more.
There is no proof.
There is. Hey, you didn't see the snake die, you just heard a little popping, maybe from like a stick that we drove over.
That's possible too, but
It's very possible.
the timing was right. Okay. Water is full. Let the cattle go into here now. I don't waste very much time. Happy cattle. Oh, Gav closed the windows on me again. And you know what that means? He locked the door on me. That's okay. I think he'll let me in. What a guy. Think you can turn around by yourself? Face that way? I'm gonna go get the blocks of salt here. You watch him. We came out here to move the chickens and it started to rain and the wind has picked up. So we're just waiting inside the truck for the rain to pass. Willie's back here. We had him in the back of the truck. It started to rain and felt bad for him. Puppies right there. That's still Willie. Puppies right there. Hello. This is Gav.
Hello.
Anyways, Gav is going to be working on the tractor here, and we're going to be pulling out some fence posts that I planted a number of years ago. I had made a lane through here, but I don't use that lane anymore. That was just so I can get the cattle into the woods here. Now what I've done, I just let the cattle here for a few days, and then I let the cows into the woods. So I don't need this. So I'm saving on, I'm going to gain some fence posts, and I also gained on some wire as well. So that's what we're going to do. So anyways, I got Gav here. We're going to get him all set up, and he'll be our puller. So let me take, this is our key here, an old knife sickle. got Gav with the bike out there. We want to bring these cows home because we got to split them up. Well, the temperatures gauge today is showing 31 degrees Celsius. So that one, I guess, is just above 90s. I think my herd of cattle actually did they go all the way out? Oh, good, I don't have to chase them. Anyways, this morning we brought the herd of cattle here to sort them, and we had to put them in 2 groups. So we have done that so far. Me and Gav were doing it. He was doing the numbers and I was just taking the sorting them out. So the reason that they want to put these cattle in a different group, they're selecting for breeding into a different herd. They want to get specific genetics. So I think I'm gonna go work in a tractor where there's some air conditioning today. There's Gab, he's going to collect some eggs. Real good kid. Wanting to go and work and he doesn't like to be bored. He likes to be doing something, so there's always stuff here for him to do at the farm. Good night, it's pretty warm out there. Christmas flowers are looking pretty. So my sister's cleaning out she's doing the landscaping around the yard. 30 degrees Celsius is crazy. Oh well. I got air conditioning in the tractor, it's working, I'm glad. 2 months from now it won't be air. It will be July, maybe September.
Are you moving if you are inside of a vehicle and the vehicle is driving? Are you moving?
Are you moving?
Are you moving if you are inside of a vehicle that is driving?
Yes.
Like, let's say if you were knocked out, except you also weren't breathing. And you were just in the back seat and you physically were not making any actions with any part of your body and the vehicle was driving. Are you moving?
You are moving.
Exactly. And why?
Because the vehicle is moving.
Exactly. So, the earth moves. The earth spins. The earth moves. We're inside the earth, yet we are always moving.
He's got some truth to that. And you see what I gotta put up with?
This is the guy who's crying this morning saying, I'm gonna miss him so much.
I'm gonna miss him. I don't know if it's gonna be so much. It's gonna be so much. This is where we're going to end the video. Thanks a lot for watching. And oh my goodness, is that the one that was in the bookcase?
Yeah. Huh?
Was that the one in the bookcase?
Yeah.
You got it.
The gray one I got, and then the black and white one. I thought I found the whole pack because they were. I found the black and white one under all the pile of wood on the bed.
Okay. They were underneath the bed? Yeah. How many were there?
Well, that's the thing. I thought I saw like 5 or something. And I was like, okay. And then I